Are you drowning in a sea of 46,000 of nodes, overwhelmed by endless information, struggling to find clarity in chaos? Let's flip the script. Imagine an AI knowledge engine, sculpting your thoughts into a masterpiece, running background synthesis, turning confusion into clarity. Enter the Pair A framework. Projects, areas, resources, archive. Organize your knowledge like never before. Each category a beacon guiding your focus, transforming chaos into structured genius. Now, let's talk dual-agent orchestration. Gemini and Claude syncing seamlessly with GitHub, Drive, Proxmox. Imagine your tools working in harmony, creating a symphony of productivity. And here's the game changer, the 4-step conveyor loop. Tell, show, do, apply. This isn't just theory, it's your roadmap to mastery. Now envision your second brain awakening. Join our free Sunday live cohort build. Unleash your potential, transform your life. The future is yours, let's seize it together.